kan sheve kang hian BTS ho hi world biggest boy band ani a chuanin BTS member ho hi lanau pangdeu le tlangwal vek anni celebrity anni wangin an fans Zawngte hian an personal life hi share dan chak hlom hle ani enge an ti thin engtin nge anomang tu tinge an bel nu te an koppui te ti velin hetiang hian BTS army ho po in engtik lai pun anin zot kwal reng thin ani tunge an bel nu te hi niang le ti velin ole tran toila video hi atop thlengin en ula shia thiam lo le zo du te in nei ni chuan comment lama min ron zon mai donia
Is anyone here dating?
Well,
Are you? Do you have a girlfriend?
oh, Ellen. I want to tell you, I really. I think you have.
Is anyone here dating?
Well,
Are you? Is anyone here dating?
well.
Are you? Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, Ellen. I want to tell you, I really.
Do you have a girlfriend?
Oh, Ellen. I want to tell you, I really. I think you have. Like thanks to you, now every Koreans know what the word cook up means now.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, because last time you asked the question.
I see.
Yes.
Wow, that's because of me? That's wonderful.
Yes.
All right.
That is wonderful.
It is wonderful. Well,
K-pop culture le K-pop industry Chungchanga shichin chuanin hei hi kan sheve kanga K-pop industry a hian K-pop star te hi publicly dating phal ani lo ti hi K-pop star ho contract a po most of the time no public dating ti chaman nei thinani hemi wang hianin K-pop star ho hi an dating life le an Chungchang te publica show phal ani lo ani tuti chungpon enge mani chu dot pon an leak kwal thin ani BTS ho hi interview sang an bel nu te Chungchang an zo te pon chuan lamte an siam dei thin ani interview pakhata RM hi abel nu Chungchang an zo ta chuan RMin keini chu kan career la hianin focus angaya chu wang chuanin dating tevel hi chu kan tan chuan har sa emani atiani heng na chungpo in BTS member dating profile Chungchang ilo clear hong u enge an status che hi niang amma sabera Jungkook he youngest member le vocalist ani a Jungkook dating life Chungchanga po hian rumors sang thuthang tivel hi oma rumors a Jungkook hi Lovely's group a Jaeyoung Yi le DS group a Jungchae Young nen romantic connection omti mase heng ho hi rumors vekane sangni le sompakwa a po rumors ho Jungkook hi ata du parlor karchin na mi tatu artist nen anin ngai Zawngte mase an annuwa kha tatu artist le big hit an pani hianin anilauti an shil chiang ani pani na avi hi amain red velvet group ami joinen some romantic connection ani to a BTS a hian vi chau hi in relationship in line chinna nei chhuna ni ama fans nen ma se big hit entertainment ina an soidan chuanin anin kara hian engma a omlo thian bak tian soyani via bel numhing chu hai ani a vi hian a Instagram picture a po a caption a ada to ane hai ti ming tuna vi zungbun lai po hi hai ina pek tho an ring ane ma se big hit entertainment den an pani hian thian bak an ne lo ti an soyani vi le hai te hi engtin nge ni zel don ilo en zelang o pathumna a jimin ama khan jimin chungchanga po rumor chho red velvet ami seol ginen anin deiti mase anuwa jiminin clear the win soya red velvet group hi thakatia mase an member tenen chuan eng inlai chin na ma ka nei lauti hemi zuwa hian kara groupa singer han seong yongin interview wa soilea danger le mama mia la an promotion anti live atang khanin jimin hi adu tan ti thuaseni.
Now you guys are all together but you didn't bring your girlfriends.
Please make one.
You need a girlfriend?
No.
Are you looking?
We got armies. We got like thousands of girlfriends today in here at Microsoft Arena, so we don't worry. No need to worry. Come on, Ami.
Apalina a J-Hope hi BTS group asta da tangin dating tivel thuthang hi ombak lawa nge publica alik lawzok niang BTS a join main belnu chu ane ve nge ya mase a belnu in bel padang ane sana wange na kalsana a belnu in na kalsana tangin tunthlengin eng dating ma shia turala omri lawani pangana a RM leader RM Chungchanga po publicly eng relationship ma share to a umlawani sangni le sompasari khan rumors tho RM hi Hmeichhe pakhat nen strong relationship anei ti mase RM in tiang hi eng tika ma a confirm ngai lawani parukna a Jin Chungchanga thuthang ve thungchu South Korean comedian Lee Gungju nen anin deiti in Jin in he comedian ming hi BTS a first 3 album a dedication section a credit ane hemi wang hian BTS fans hoin anring hel pha ane mase henghau zongjong hi rumors vekani pasarina a Suga army in Suga hi singer Suran nen wine songa anthok du na changin anin ngai zong tura an ngaya hemi zo Suran in Instagram a macaroons khala ka posin a captiona yongi ti ada chuanin chutatang chuanin anring helna lo sang le a chuti lai chuan big hit entertainment den ama a lo langin an announce ni Suga le Suran te hi music producer atan chawhna an thok dun chuan an dating thuthang ti vel kha alem vekti tikhan hemi video wa chuan kan hmu vekanga BTS so an Kerala boy zia le an tan chuan dating ti vel hi ahar san jia chu Korean media ho po in K-pop star so hi an dating le an relationship Chungchang an zot ngai lawani athan chu an shelok vekan awangin an zopon a answer to chunno ane Tawngte an share lok awangin mase BTS so member te turat emo thildang program ate emo an chwain English program ho ten an lo zot le thinani an relationship status ti vel hi ole tun tumatan chuan heng ho chau hi ni sela video hi min lo like in chen te po in lo share sakwe zel don nya video thar ka upload tapiangin in mu theinan ka channel hi min lo subscribe in bell icon po in meter ngal bok don nya notification in don theinan chuanin kan latest update in mu theinan Instagram ma min lo follow ula chuanin kan Instagram link hi kan description a anwaya min en sakawangin invite chunga lom thu ka suye